In this video, we're going to show you how to find apps that are missing from the home screen of your iPhone. Let's begin. First of all, swipe to the app library where all the apps are stored. Now go ahead and search for the app that you are unable to find on your home screen. In our case, the app was Vimage. Simply tap on the app icon, Add to Home Screen, and that's it. Your app is now on the home screen and can be accessed easily with a single tap. Next, one of the other reasons why the app is not showing on your iPhone is it might not have been allowed to appear. To fix it, open Settings and navigate to Screen Time. Now tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, tap on Allowed Apps and Features. Select the app that is not on the allowed list. And you're done. Now the app is allowed to appear on the iPhone's home screen. Hope this video helped you. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.